Welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we are going to see how to convert binary number into decimal number. Also, we are going to see how to convert decimal number into binary number. As a network engineer, we should know these conversions. It will be very helpful while learning subnetting. This is IPV4 address written as dotted decimal notation format. This IPV4 address is having four decimal number separated by dots. We can convert this decimal number into binary number. It will look like this. In IPv4 address, every decimal is having 8 bits of binary. So these 8 bits together will called as octets. So our IPv4 address is having 4 octets. Every octet is having 8 bits. So IPv4 address is a 32 bits. 4 into 8, 32 bits. Now we can see how to convert this binary into decimal. We will see some examples now. To convert binary to decimal, I'm using this table. As the binary number is a base 2 numbering system, I'm using 2 power table. I've written the value from right side to left side, starting from 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and ending with 2 power 7. As the IPv4 address, every octet is having 8 bits. I am using the 8 columns. So our first example, I am going to use this binary number. The binary number is 10101010. To convert this, wherever binary ones are coming, we have to add the corresponding about table value. Adding this 128, 32, 8 plus 2, we will get 170. So the decimal number for this binary 10101010 is 170. In this way, we will see one more example. The second example, I am going to use the binary number 00110011. Here also, above these binary ones, we will add the corresponding value. So adding 32, 16, 2 plus 1, we will get 51. That is the decimal value for this binary number. Finally, I want to add one more thing. If all the binary bits are 1, the maximum value we will get while adding all the corresponding table value, we will get 255. So in our IPv4 address, every octet we can use the decimal value maximum up to 255. Next, we are going to see how to convert decimal to binary. We are going to use the same table for this. In this example, the decimal number 172, we are going to convert to binary. We have to start from the left side of the table from the maximum value. So when you compare decimal value with the table value, if the decimal value is greater than or equal to the table value, we have to put 1 in the binary column. And if it is less than, then we have to put 0. Now let us start. 172 is greater than or equal to 128. Yes. Then put 1 in the binary column. Whenever we put 1 in the binary column, we have to find out the difference between these two values, decimal value and the table value. So 172 minus 128, it is 44. Using this remaining value, we have to start calculating, start comparing. So now from this 44 is greater than or equal to 64. It is less than, so you have to use 0. Now move to the next column, 32. 44 greater than or equal to 32. Yes, it is greater. So we put 1. Whenever 1 is coming, we have to find the difference between these two values. So 44 minus 32, it is 12. So we'll move to the next column. So we'll start comparing. 12 greater than or equal to 16. No, put 0. Now move to the next column. 12 greater than or equal to 8. Yes, so put 1. Whenever we put 1 in the binary, we have to find out the difference between the two values. So 12 minus 8, 4. Now use this new remaining value. Now we have to check 4 is equal to or greater than the table value 4. Yes, so put 1 in the binary column. Whenever decimal value and table value is equal, you can put the remaining binary columns as 0. So this is how we have to convert decimal to binary. So this binary value is equal to decimal value 172. This is one way of doing. The other way is using arithmetic calculations. This is the quickest way to do this. So we'll see how to do this. The same number I am using 172, the decimal value. Now we have to find it out from the table, adding which of the table values we can get this 172 decimal value. First, you can select the first value 128, and the next column value is 64. So, but adding these two values, it will go beyond 172. So I'll choose the next value, 32. So 128 plus 32 is 160. And 160, the remaining value is 12. 172 minus 160, 12. So I'll choose 8 plus 4. So the corresponding binary columns to be filled with binary ones, and the remaining column can be filled with binary zeros. So this is the easiest way to do this. So this is how we have to convert decimal to binary. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.